Rebecca Saltzman from Balagan Be Gone Personal Organization.
And I'm Melissa Goldwag from Pack for Camp.
And today we want to talk to you about the best way to identify your bags when you're making Aliyah or when you're traveling in general.
Okay, so the first thing is, here we're using the Samsonite Totaton bag, which we think is great. It's only about a pound and it's very easy to pack, carry, schlep along, whatever it is that you're doing. And first of all, you should have them all in one color, whatever bag you choose. That way you can easily identify it, whether you're one person alone or you're a family of 12. The next tip we have is to use a luggage strap. And this is for two reasons. First of all, it supports the actual bag itself, but also it's another way to identify your bags when you get to the other end.
It's important when you're using the Totaton bags to make sure that you put some sort of cable tie on the zippers so that they stay closed, but it's important to not use a zip tie, to use something that is open and able to close again so that the TSA can open and close it. Another thing that we really like to identify luggage is to have matching luggage tags for everyone in your family. You can see on this luggage tag I have a number 1 here. That's because what I like to do is assign each person in the family a number. This way, because the bags are all the same, we can easily identify which bag belongs to which person based on the number on the luggage tags without having to open up the bags and rifle through all the stuff inside of it.
Click on the links below to buy any of the items you've seen in this video, and happy Aliyah!